This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Synergy 24SP is a Class C RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 25 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, LP detector, oven, refrigerator, slide-out, smoke detector, TV antenna, water heater, microwave, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Synergy 24SP is built on a Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.